Hello guys, this is our review of the service Dish Network. I'm going to show you what you get with the service. I'm going to show you some of the features, the guide, the channels, all that. I'm going to show you also how to use the remote and how the dish looks like outside of your house. Basically, this is a remote that you get. I'll go over some of the main features. Basically, you can control the TV and the service with this remote, so you don't have to use two remotes. You get your menu here, volume up and down, guide, the mute, channels up and down, to the left and right. It's to navigate through the guide. Recall if you want to go back to a channel that you were watching previously. Info gives you information about the show or the program that you're watching. Search, it gives you the option to look for something specific. View live TV, basically if you rewinded something that you're watching and then you just want to go back to live TV, then you click that, and then instead of have to fast forward. The guide, you can navigate through the guide, and then if you hit cancel, then you go back to whatever you were doing. Then you get here DVR. Basically with DVR, it gives you access to your recordings and the recording options, and then also it gives you access to Dish on Demand. You can basically buy movies or pay-per-view events or things like that. Skip back and skip forward basically lets you skip. I'm not sure exactly how much time, but I think it's like 2 or 3 minutes you skip if you're fast forwarding or rewinding something, a show. Instead of click on fast forward or rewind, you can skip with this, and it's gonna be faster. And then of course you also get rewind, forward, pause, stop, play, and then record option if you want to record a show, and then you get your numbers here to change to a specific channel, or also enter different options when you are in the settings. So they give you the option to do a picture-in-picture, where you can watch two channels at the same time. You can pause one channel, you can go to the other channel, fast forward, whatever, and then that's what the swap button is for. And that has nothing to do with your TV, if your TV can do it or not. This is just part of the service. You get all these guides and information about how to use the DVR, how to record, how to access different shows, how to use the remote and all that. You get all these, and then you get some guides about all the channels available, different, the name of the networks, the number of the channels, and what do they offer and all that. Let me go ahead and show you the box. This box that I have is a box that they offer to control two TVs at the same time, so you don't need if you have two TVs, you don't need two boxes. Just with this box you can control two TVs. And the model of the box is the 722. Let me go ahead and start the TV so I can show you. So I'm gonna turn down the volume. Okay, so basically, like I was saying, this is gonna turn up and off the TV. You don't need to mess with this here. If you want to access a guide, then you click on guide, and let me show you how fast you can go through the guide. Look at that. It's really fast. And this is also connected to my internet at home. I've seen DirecTV and Cox, and it doesn't go as fast as this when you're going through the channels. And then like I said, if you hit cancel, then it goes back to the channel that you're watching. If you want to change the channel, you hit guide. Let's see, you want to change to that show, so you click select. If you wanna go back to the previous channel, you click recall right here. And it takes you back to the previous channel. If you want to go back to the other channel, then same thing. If you want to rewind the show or the program, click on rewind. And then as you can see, it says, oh, okay, well actually we were not watching the show that long to be able to record much. But let me see if I can rewind more. Oh, okay, so if you try to rewind and then you want to change channels, it warns you and it tells you that you can only see one channel live at a time. So basically click yes, and it lets you change the channel. Let's see if we can rewind this one. No, same thing. I'll show you with a recorded show. If you want to access your recordings, you click on the DVR or on demand, and this is how it looks like. Let's say I go to my recordings. I want to watch this show right here, so click select, click start, and then now I can fast forward because this is already recorded. So as you can see on the screen, it says x4 or times 4. I can do times 15, I can do times 60, I can do 300, or pause, play again, and then I can do skip. Or you can go back, skip back, or rewind back. And it goes really, really fast. Let me go back to the TV. You click cancel, then you're back to the TV. What else? Let's say I want to record a show. No, one moment. Let me find something. Let's say, I access this show and I want to record this show. Basically, you click here on record, and it's going to give you the option. It says TV1 or TV2 because, like I say, this box is controlling two different TVs. And the person watching the other TV with the same remote can access to the same features. If you click on options, then it gives you the options to stop recording manually, extend end time, create recurring timer, record entire event. So you can just change all that, do whatever you want. Let's see if I rewind and I want to go back to live TV, click on view live, and it takes you back to live. Of course, you can change the channels manually. Let's say Let me show you a little more of the Dish on Demand. So you get here on Dish on Demand, you get access first to my recording. My recording is everything that you record. As you can see, I have different shows here that I'm recording. Look at the space on the hard drive of the box. I have remaining 192 hours and 47 minutes available to record. Of course, if you delete shows that you already watched, then you're gonna have more space. Basically, let's say I wanna get rid of that show that I already watched. So you click on that, and then you can either resume, start over. You can go delete. This one I ask you yes or no or cancel. We're gonna say cancel. Let's see. You can click on edit, and then see there are more than one episode for Jersey Shore. So if I hit Jersey Shore, select it, and then I go select all, then it's gonna select all the shows, and then from there I can either delete them all or do whatever changes I want when I hit cancel and go back to the main menu. And then moving forward, after my recordings, you have all movies. If you click on that, it's gonna show you new releases, special offers, explore movies, search movies, my rentals. If you click new releases, it's gonna show you all the movies available. It gives you the option here to preview the movie. All you have to do is click play and it will preview it. We hit cancel and go back to the TV, and then let me go back to the DVR option. All my movies, special offers, cancel, explore movies. Basically, with this option, you can search for movies depending on the rating, the gender, just your preference. You do different selections here, and then it's gonna click on show results, and then it's gonna show you the results depending on your selections. And then my rentals is gonna show you whatever you had there that you rented. I think it stays for like 48 hours or something like that, but I don't have anything right now. Let's see, Blockbuster at home. I already showed you that. Let's see, if you click on menu, it's gonna give you the options, all these options. Themes and search, just like I was showing you under on demand. Basically, you can, let's say, you have live sports, then you select baseball, and then you click on result, and it says searching, and let's see if it displays any shows available. As you can see, it's displaying all type of programs or shows related to the subject that you're searching, which is baseball. It gives you the time and all that, and then from there you can, of course, if you select that, you're gonna have options to record, or do all kind of things. So you can even go page up and down. You can do next day. Customer support. This is a really cool feature. Basically, with this, you get access to like a interactive customer support on your TV. You'll see in a moment. So they basically help you to go through the guide, the features, the settings, and all that. And it says add programming. It even shows you your statement. So you can even see your statement. If I click continue, see, it even shows my statement. You can look at activity, terms and conditions. You can even make a payment. You can change the language, and then you go back. You get access to fax, and it shows you their different options. Go back. You get access to tech support. It's not available this time. Cool features. I'm not sure what it is. It's not available right now. Then exit. Now it's going back to the TV.